Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential functions for you. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X's are given 0 through 4 and f of x are 4 through 64. To solve this kind of questions, I suggest you to use given data to find the values of a and b. So we're going to use the first data. So when x is 0, so a times b to the power of 0 is equals to 4. So a times b to the power of 0 is 1. So technically a times 1 is a, 4. So we just found the value of a as 4. For the value of b, I'm going to use the second data. So we will substitute 1 for the x in this case. We know the value of a, I will just put 4 times b to the power of 1 is equals to 8. So if 4b is 8, then to get the value of b, we will divide both sides by 4, and b is 2. So based on this, we can go ahead and eliminate some of the choices. A and D is not the answer. B is greater than 1. And is it growth or decay? As x values are increasing, the y values are also increasing. If you just pay attention, you will realize that. So because of that, and this is not growth, not decay. I was like, excuse me. It's not decay, it's growth. Because of that, choice B will be the correct answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.